Sustainability on farm is incredibly important these days, and here we're showing that homegrown forage is incredibly important from a point of view of sustainability. It's the most cost-effective food source we're going to have from this farm, and by using best practice and high management standards, we're going to get the more milk and the best available from this crop. We can make our forage even more cost-effective by good clamp management, but also by using a good quality silage additive such as Ecosol 100 to maximise the fermentation, reduce dry matter losses and retain more of the natural nutrients in there in order to produce more milk cost effectively.